Damn, homie. We gotta find somewhere nice to run it. We gotta get a smooth spot. Hope you're here smooth enough. It might be. I mean, it has a little dip, but it should be fast enough. Oh yeah, easy on the brakes. Oh, I'm gonna tell you something. Ready, set, go.
Are you hammering it all out the line?
No. Ready, set, go. Oh!
Sorry, man.
Now you good.
I'm getting used to it, man.
Yeah, you good. Plus, this parking lot is angled. It's not flat. Let me get my car more steering. Ready, set, go.
Is yours going straight?
Not really. This thing is at an angle. It's not straight. It's not flat. Ready, set, go. Whoa! Ready, set, go.
Sorry, bro.
No, that was you. Ready, set, go. I'm trying to pull it too hard.
The white look good, dude.
Hell yeah.
This shit look good too, man. I ain't gonna hey.
All right, ready, set, go. Yeah, so you walked yours out, right?
Yeah.
A lot straighter, right? Ready, set, go.